Hey everyone, got some new footage for you to check out. This is from August 10th. Comes in from Nayarit, Mexico. Some footage of a purported UAP on the beach. This is original footage. I've cut it down, but there you go. You can see it passing by real quick right there. Kind of hard to tell, so we'll slow it down here in a second in the next clip. But you see that vehicle? See how the light is also dragging with it? I think that kind of makes it look elongated. That could also have an effect on, what appears to be a UAP. I'm not saying it isn't, but it certainly does contribute to, some speculation on what this could be, especially whenever we go to clean up the image here in a minute and do a zoom. So really that light, and depending on how fast it's actually moving, that could be elongated. So it could be a smaller object, actually. We don't really get too much out of it from cleaning it up. It's definitely a tough one. I mean, maybe a helicopter, maybe an airplane, maybe a hang glider, maybe a UAP. Let me know in the comments.